Hi there. Thanks for joining today's flight. I'm the Marco Island Eagle Eye, and I search far and wide to find you the best real estate deals and provide you with an in-depth look within our favorite communities and our best value properties. So hop on board, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy your destination. The Royal Seafarer has been one of Marco Island's favorite beachfront communities since its completion in 1982. This 22-story high-rise is home to 129 units, all with awesome views of Marco's famous Crescent Beach. What makes it so popular is its location on the beach. Its close proximity to the Marriott puts it right in the middle of all the activity. This unique building design ensures that every unit includes breathtaking water views. To maximize the viewing potential, the building was designed with just 6 units per floor. So there's fewer shared walls between units. This allows each unit almost 2 full walls of full-length windows. In addition, every unit has a huge wraparound balcony. Head up the owner's entrance along the neatly laid brick pavers and you'll pass the covered garage, where each unit has one reserved parking space. There's another lot on the left side with plenty of room for guest parking. There's a nice covered portico entrance at the front for pickups and drop-offs. The front entrance is secured with key fob entry for residents and phone capabilities for guests. The first floor is where you'll find a nice selection of interior amenities, as well as the mailroom and guest suites available for booking. Enjoy water views and the ocean breeze from both full-sized clay tennis courts. Soak in the sun from the large beachfront pool deck, complete with a grill and picnic area. A private beach path is ready and waiting to lead you to warm sand and refreshing Gulf waters. If you're looking for long beach views and days full of fun in the sun, then look no further than the Royal Seafarer on Marco Island. I hope you enjoyed today's flight. The MarcoIslandRealEstate.com team has helped make dreams come true for more than 400 satisfied clients, enjoying over $300 million in real estate. Please call our Eagle Eye team today at 239-394-2500. Or click onto the links for more information.